If you want to edit TikTok videos on CapCut, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step so you can create a clean, polished video ready to upload. Whether you're making short-form content for growth, trends, tutorials, or entertainment, CapCut is one of the easiest tools to use because it gives you powerful editing features without making the process complicated. By the end of this video, you'll know how to place your clip on the timeline, trim and split unwanted parts, add effects and text, set the correct TikTok format, export the finished video, and publish it to TikTok. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Once your project loads, you'll want to import the video you want to edit. After that, drag the video down to the timeline. This is where all of your editing will happen. The timeline is the main workspace in CapCut, and it lets you see your clip from start to finish so you can make precise changes. Now that your video is on the timeline, the next step is to trim or split any unwanted parts. If there are sections at the beginning, middle, or end that you don't need, select the clip and use the trim handles to shorten it. If you need to remove something in the middle of the video, move the playhead to the exact point where you want to cut, then use the split tool. After splitting, you can delete the unwanted section and keep the rest of the clip clean and smooth. This step is really important because short-form videos work best when they stay fast-paced and focused. Once your main footage is cleaned up, you can start making the video more engaging. CapCut gives you plenty of editing options, so this is where you can add text, captions, effects, transitions, music, or stickers depending on the style of your content. If you're adding text, keep it short, clear, and easy to read on a mobile screen. Captions are especially useful because a lot of TikTok viewers watch without sound at first. Effects can help emphasize certain moments, transitions can make cuts feel smoother, and stickers can add personality or highlight important points. If your video needs background music, add a track that matches the mood of your content and make sure it doesn't overpower your voice. After you've added your creative elements, the next thing you need to do is make sure the canvas ratio is set correctly for TikTok. For TikTok, the ideal format is 9:16, which fills the entire vertical phone screen. In CapCut, adjust the canvas or format settings and choose the vertical 9:16 ratio. This is important because if you export in the wrong aspect ratio, your video may show black bars or look cropped when you upload it to TikTok. A vertical video gives you the best viewer experience and helps your content look more professional. Now take a moment to preview the video from beginning to end. Watch for any awkward cuts, timing issues, text that appears too long, or sections that feel too fast or too slow. This is your chance to make final adjustments before exporting. Sometimes a small tweak like moving a caption a little higher, shortening a clip, or lowering the music volume can make a huge difference in the final result. Don't rush this part because previewing your video helps you catch mistakes before they go live. When everything looks good, click Export. CapCut will give you export options, so choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. For TikTok, a high-quality export usually works best, and a smooth frame rate can help your video look more polished. Once you've selected your settings, click Export again and let CapCut render the final file. Depending on the length and complexity of your project, this may take a few moments. After the export is finished, save the video to your device and open TikTok. From there, upload the exported file just like you would any other video. Add your caption, hashtags, and cover image if needed, then publish it when you're ready. And that's it. You've successfully edited a TikTok video in CapCut from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides, editing tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.